Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to apply different color palette in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here and go to wallpaper and style, and here click on color palette, and here turn on this button color palette so that different colors are available for wallpapers, and select any one. Okay, there are so many color palettes are available. Here I would like to use this color palette. Okay, and click on apply finally, and this color palette will be applied to you. Okay, see here, go to home screen and see in the notification area the entire color palette is applied for wallpaper as well as basic colors. Okay, so in this way you can easily apply to different color palette in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.